All right, today is day 68. I completely forgot to do this until just now because, well, daylight savings really messed with us. We got home rather late and had to get going at, I think I said my alarm was set for 5:15. But we got going, we're here. I just got to see Dave Feldman present. Holly's in the background. There she is. Anyway, so yeah, day 68 is still going great. We went to a party last night. They had a full-on prime rib and a bunch of other amazing stuff that I didn't get to eat. So that's okay. You know, it's fine. I think I got banana for breakfast this morning. I should probably go eat that. Anyway, got to keep this short because it takes forever to upload here because the mobile data sucks. I'll see you guys all on day 69. All right.